Good morning. Welcome to the Blue Shack. I'm Joe, and today I'm going to be working on yet another ring. This is going to be from grade 2 titanium. First thing I'm going to do is bore this out. The serial number of this ring is T200021. It takes me about 3.5 to 4 hours to make a ring of this style. Next, I'm going to work on the outside of the ring. To the next step, which is to bevel the inside edge. That beveled, the next step is to finish the inside of the ring. Okay, that's feeling nice and smooth, and now it's time to make it even smoother and shiny with some polish. Okay, look at that shine. Now that I got that the inside all polished up and smooth, it's time to turn this into an actual ring and part it off. Something very satisfying for me about this part. It's like the ring's being born or something. Got a ring. It's got the right size, it's got the right wall thickness, it's got the right width. Now it's time to actually shape it. Time to bevel the inside of the edge on this side of the ring to match the other side. I'm just going to be shaving off just a little bit all the way across to make sure that that ring is spinning nice and true. Next, what I'm going to do is on the outside edge of this ring, I'm going to make a little indentation. I'm going to do this side, then I'm going to flip the ring over and do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, now it's time to flip the ring around and do the same on the other side. Next step is I'm going to take this ring off and take it over to the disc sander and cut some facets into it. So I've got a bucket of water here to dunk it in because titanium gets really hot. Fortunately, it cools really fast too. a bit faceted looking with all those little cuts. Okay, time to head back over to the lathe and start sanding and polishing. I've got the sanding done on this edge, so I'm going to grab the coarse polishing compound and polish up the inside and this outside edge, and I'll probably hit that center just a little bit too. Slowly rotate as I polish so I can hit those facets. That ring came out pretty cool looking, kind of has a hammered, distressed look to that middle band there. I've got the ring back on the mandrel and all cleaned up, and now I'm going to mask that center band off. I got this thing about masked off okay. Time to head back to the lab and clean it off thoroughly and anodize it. I'll meet you back there. So the first step I'm going to do is make everywhere that's not masked off, turn that to a gold color. Make sure that I'm really happy with that color before I take that mask off. I do like that. Alright, gotta get that mask off of there. Now because blue is a lower voltage than that gold color, the gold shouldn't change. Actually kind of stopped at a silver color or very, very, very faint blue. I think it came out nice. Time for me to take a couple pictures of it. Thanks for hanging out with me today at the Blue Shack. I will see you next time.